Welcome to the castle of Marymore, home of the good Princess Gwyneth, her faithful dragon Puff, and, where are my manners? Me, Harley Quinn, master of jests. It is truly an honor to have you all as our visitors today. And you're all just in time. The Princess of Marymore will be arriving soon. And for those of you that have not met the Princess before, it is very important that when you meet royalty, you bow your head as a sign of respect. Let's all practice together. Go ahead and stand up straight, like this, and bow, like this. Oh, that is excellent! But let's see if you can do it on cue. Now, I will pretend to be the princess, and when I appear, you stand and bow. Are you ready? Here I come! I'm the princess, I'm the princess! Oh, that wasn't very good at all. Let's try again. I'm the princess, I'm the princess! Oh, better, better! Almost good even. I think we're almost there. Let's just try it one more time. Go, princess! It's your birthday! I'm the princess! A pretty princess! Oh, oops. Hello, your highness. I did not know that you were there.
Oh, Harley, you are truly the funniest jester in the entire kingdom.
But your majesty, I'm the only jester in the entire kingdom.
Exactly.
How might I assist thee, your majesty?
It's time for Puff's feeding. You may go and fetch his lunch.
Of course, your majesty.
And how is my dear Puff this day? Oh, my dear Puff, how you have grown! Why, it seems like just yesterday that you were a tiny little eggling. And now look at you. You've gotten so big, you can't even fit through the castle gates. Oh, here comes Harley with your lunch. Oh, I think he's hungry.
I know. I was almost dessert.
Hey, you!
Your Majesty, do you hear that?
Oh my goodness, that sounds like
Oh, no.
Lord Voldemort, the Wicked Wizard of Wordsworth.
What will we do? The Wicked Wizard of Wordsworth approaches. March, my devastating army of evil minions. With this devastating army of evil minions, Your Highness, you must go and secure yourself in the castle. I'll hold the fort.
Oh, Harley, be careful!
All right, everyone, listen up. This is not a drill. When the Wicked Wizard arrives, you can help me make him feel really unwelcome by booing him like this. Boo! Got that? Okay, your turn. 1, 2, 3. Boo! Well, that will have to do. the music.
Okay, now play Please Don't Stop the Music.
Please don't stop the music.
Wait, that's your devastating army of evil minions? Just a few soldiers? My fortunes have changed recently, and this is all I can afford.
So then you've come here to steal my fortune?
No, I mean, yes. Come to think of it, it isn't such a bad idea after all. But no, actually, my princess, I've come to claim what is rightfully mine, your hand in marriage, and my rightful place on the world throne as king of Marymore. And the fortune, of course, is a bonus.
You'll never be worthy of my hand in marriage, Lord Voldemort.
Oh, but I am worthy, your highness. I am the leader of the most powerful army in all the land. An army whose strengths are matched only by their athletic abilities. But don't just take my word for it. Watch this. So now you see, your highness, with the power and might of my army behind me, you cannot refuse my offer.
Dude, you gotta let it go.
Impressive, Knights of Wordsworth. But will it be enough to move on to the next round? Let's see what the judges thought. That has got to be the worst performance I've ever seen.
It was, unique, but I thought it was cute.
Oh, come on. It's a no from me.
I think they have a lot of potential.
Oh, enough of this nonsense. If you will not voluntarily accept my marriage proposal, I will simply have to make you marry me, like it or not, over my dead body. What a great idea. Evil minions, yes? Get him! Ugh. If you want something done right, you simply must do it yourself. Come down here and fight like a man. Why fight like a man, young jester, when I can fight like a wizard? Your jester is defeated. Come, my precious. Take my hand and have me as your king.
No.
There is no one left to save you. No one can stop me. I am the only wizard in the kingdom. Not the only wizard!
Harley? Quinn?
No. Harry Potter! Your powers are no match for mine, young jester. Prepare to meet my doom. Quanto Stotarum Explodiarum! Oh, now that's cool.
Harley?
Yes, who knows? Apostrophe! Aquarium enchilada! Time to finish you off once and for all. Caritaro, Stupotoro, Arigato. Oh dear.
Say hello to my little friend.
Stay back. Nice track. Shoot, shoot.
Wait, no, Puff.
Get away, get away. Hurry!
Now, Harley!
Right. Darvidium, Travasium, Tiramisu. Hooray! Right. The master is defeated. And we swear your allegiance to the princess. Yes, we can. You traitors! How dare you desert me in my hour of need? Look, the wicked wizard of Wordsworth is defenseless. With this wand, I now have the power to turn him from evil to good. No, please, not goodness. Anything but that. What do you say, everyone? Shall I turn him good? Right, I will. Abracadabra, Zimbalatrax, take all the badness and make him be nice. What a lovely day for picking flowers and painting rainbows.
Harley Quinn, for your bravery in the face of danger, you are hereby named Sir Harley, Protector Knight of Marymore and Commander of my legions. Arise, Sir Harley.
But your majesty, if I to be the knight commander instead of the court jester, then who will entertain me?
Why, the new jester, of course.
Oh, goody, goody, goody. We're going to have so much fun, fun.
This calls for a celebration.
they all lived happily ever after. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the cast of our Dragon's Tale.